Hello, guys, and good morning. It's a new week, and we're looking forward to what is going to happen this week in the crypto. So far, so good. We got rejected from the top around 49 thereabout, and we're seeing some form of pullback. So, what should we be expecting? Before further ado, let's dive right straight into this and see what is going on, what we should be expecting. So, my previous video, I also talked about the 0.618, where we talked about this pullback here using the let me see, using Fibonacci extension of Fibonacci retracement rather. So from the top here down to the bottom here. So we talked about, let me expand this more. We talked about price getting to the 0.618 or even maybe between the 0.618 up to the 0.786 before we'll likely see a pullback, and we're currently seeing some form of pullback. So it is very important we also get to know what level we should be expecting for some form of cool off, hold, consolidate before pushing back up. So let's talk a little bit about what is currently happening here. Maybe if there's a possibility of this price pushing lower, or maybe we'll likely see a push back up. So first thing first, I would love to go to, okay, let me work with this weekly time frame first, then we'll gradually move lower. So I'm going to use the Chimoku here, and as you can see, price did not really hold above the cloud, and we're getting this flat Kijun, flat tanking rather, which is the blue EMA. So if I'm to take like a level to keep an eye on, which I also talked about in my previous video, we're looking at this flat cloud here, which is should go along with this flat Kijun, followed by um, followed by maybe a possible drop to around this level here. So let me point it out here. So maybe around coming around this level here, because we have support here and a resistance here. So we're still looking at 36,916 down to 31 or thereabout. Okay, so within that range is very, very, very important. Within this range here, okay, let me make this to be black. Down to this level here is very, very important. So we should take this range very important. So more to that on the daily time frame. I'm going to remove this. Let's go to daily time frame here. If you have been following me on my Signal channel, you would notice I have been updating charts talking about the edge-to-edge trade setup, which is gradually building up here too as well. So let me remove the cloud first, then we'll talk about the chart pattern that is also building here. We talked about this support around here, which is very important. So we talked about this support around here, where we have this around here, this support, and this support here too as well. So it is very important we take note of 1 and 2, and price is gradually going close to that support back again. So what other thing do we need to know? I was looking at a possibility of this pushing back up to form head and shoulder top, which is this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and maybe, just maybe, price will get back to this level here. But we're still looking at this support if this will be able to hold at this support. But the downtrend is still very, very strong. Okay, so what we should pay close attention to is, first of all, this support here first, and this support will go in line with the cloud support on the daily. Okay, so now what is the edge to edge, which is E to E? That edge, it means that when the body of the candlestick closes inside this cloud, there's high probability is going to test the lower cloud here. So more like looking at this down to this level here. So the cloud resistance where the current price is. So we want the body of the candlestick to close inside here. Then we'll likely get price finding its way to this flat cloud here first, and maybe finally to this level. It's a trade that has always played out, but first thing first, we want the body of the candlestick to close inside the cloud. So it's called an edge breached here, then price will find its way to the other side of the cloud, which is the other edge. Okay, so what again are we looking at? Just don't want to make this video too long, just want to point out what the most important thing. And so when we get this price pushing back down, we should get like a bearish tick across and some kind of push back down a little bit down here. And at the same time, on the weekly time frame, we're going to get a gradual move of the cloud, which is this. We're going to get a gradual move. This should come down a little bit, and we're going to get a gradual cloud twist. So the more we consolidate around this level from here down here, the more price should come together for a bullish Kumo twist. So it's all good, just some form of pullback to reset and let everyone get back into the game. But you need to be very careful of what you do right at this time. Okay, let me see. I don't think there's any other thing to talk about, just this major move to the downside. There's nothing new about this BTC move. We're just expecting this push, and I think let me see, let me remove this, and let's put the okay, let me put the moving average. So why am I putting this moving average? Let's use the 20 moving average, and we're going to use okay, on the weekly time frame now. So like I said, price needs to hold around here, which is the 20 moving average, for a move to the upside. Yes, because in the past, if you look at it, in the past, in the bullish market, you can see the 20 weekly moving average. You can see how it continued to maintain that support even when we got that pullback, and price continued to stay above the 20 weekly moving average, okay, to the upside. So it would be healthy and good if price find its way to this 20 weekly moving average. It's very, very important though, but even if it doesn't hold there, we're still looking at a whole lot of support to the downside. So don't be surprised, just expect the edge to edge I just talked about. We have been talking about this for some days on the channel. If you have not joined, please do well to join. Okay, it's very important I do consistent updates on this market move. Okay, it's very important, and I also try my best to make sure I drop other setups on other coins. So let's just take a look at Solana very fast. I don't want to stay too long on this. So Solana weekly time frame. So I also dropped this too as well. So let's go to the daily time frame here. Nothing has changed yet. We're still looking at this move here. Still looking at this move here. We should expect this is a descending triangle chart pattern, and it signals and the uptrend has gradually come to an end. So we want a retracement back down. So we're looking at 78, 70, 64, and 58. Let me see. So the same thing, flat cloud should be pointing directly towards 70. So AVAX has been on the downtrend, and yeah, it's inside the cloud already. So so we're looking at let me remove these charts, these drawings rather. Then let's see what we have here. Let me remove the Ichimoku first, and then let's put this in. Okay, we have an inverted cup and handle here. So something like this, something like this, or something like this. And so to take the target is very, very straightforward here. From the top down to this place, we drag this and drop this here.